question 3 here, a question also that can be given on the SAT test, as well as other tests. Number 3 is, if 2x plus 3y equals to 4, what is the value of 4x squared plus 2xy plus 9y to the second power? Okay, so sometimes these questions can be tricky when you look at them at first, but you got to pause and see if you have practiced that before, if you have worked on it before. You know, that's the reason why we encourage you to practice this problem whenever you see them, okay? So what's going to happen? So what can we do? So we're looking for this one here, but we know that 2x plus 3y equals to 4. So that means what? That means we can have 2x plus 3y equals to 4. And what can we do with it? We can square it. So when you square the left side, you also have to square the right side. It goes both ways, okay? There's no other way, you know, around it. So then what this one's giving us? So this one is 2x plus 3y times 2x plus 3y, okay? And that is equal to what? 4 by 4, which is going to give us 16, right? So when we multiply this one, okay, so we use the FOIL method, right? The first, which is 2x times 2x, which is 4x squared, okay? The first, the outer, so 2x times 3x is going to give us what? Plus 6xy, okay? And then the inner, 3y times 2x is going to give us 6xy also. And then the last, 3y times 3y, which is 9y squared, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. All right? So this is what we have so far. So we can combine these two together. So we have 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared equal to 16. So the first thing you got to do is look at if this one looks the same thing as that one. Yes, it does. If it does not, then you got to think again about what is missing. What can you do? What can you add? What can you subtract? But in this case, this one, which is just the same thing as this one here, okay? And that's the value that we're looking for, which is 16. So 16 is your correct answer. So when we look at it, D, 16 is good. All right? So a lot of times questions like this shouldn't take you too much time to solve them. All right? In these cases, we're going slower than normal so that you guys can understand. But as we're getting more and more into it, we have to be faster. Okay?